Here's a quick question for you. How many mortgage conferences are you going to attend this year? Chances are, you've already registered for a number of trade shows, conferences, or other types of events. The benefits are clear. Improve your industry knowledge, make new connections with potential business partners, and even discuss deals with exhibiting lenders. Unfortunately, those benefits also come with a few challenges. Many professionals end up missing out on conferences because the ticket price, the travel accommodations, and general anxiety about being away from their business. It doesn't have to be that way. If you take the following steps before you attend a mortgage event, you'll feel better about being away from your desk and creating more opportunities for successful networking. First, conduct some pre-conference scouting. The best way to understand how much you can get out of a mortgage conference or trade show is to understand who will be there and what the main discussion topics will be. For example, if you're a residential originator looking to grow your commercial mortgage business, try holding out for an event that includes a good mix of residential and commercial sponsors and speakers. Otherwise, you may end up going to the same event as last year and missing out on establishing new connections that could further your education. Check out the conference agenda on the event's website to learn the sessions, speakers, and the general focus of the event. Then, take a look at the list of sponsors. Is the list comprised mostly of banks, hard money lenders? You can learn much about an event's purpose and networking possibilities based on what you discover. Second, create a mortgage conference networking strategy. Networking is easier than most people think. And although you may not believe that it comes easy to you, there are some proven strategies that begin with a plan. Before you pack your bags, write down your objectives for the conference. Who do you want to meet? What do you want to learn? Your answers should give you a clear idea of who you need to connect with during the event. Once you know the who, it's time to tackle the how. Some of you with outgoing personalities may find it easiest to network in the exhibit hall. That way, you can pass by each sponsor's booth and also make connections with other attendees on the floor. If you don't feel comfortable taking that tack, you can invite a small group of like-minded individuals to meet at a restaurant near the conference location or even in a spare room in the hotel or the conference center itself. The key is to establish a clear reason for meeting, say a discussion on changing industry regulations, and plan ahead. Take a look through your database before the event and identify colleagues and referral partners who you think may be attending. You'll get better turnout if you extend an early invitation. And be sure to invite others to the conference as well. You'll put yourself in a position to meet new business partners in a more intimate setting. Finally, the key is to manage your time. Of course, mortgage conferences are about more than just networking. If you skip out on the educational sessions, product demos, roundtables, and other agenda items just to spend more time in the exhibit hall, you'll miss out on opportunities to improve your mindset and overall business. Balance is the key. Look through your conference schedule and pick out the sessions that are most relevant to your business. You'll quickly discover that you have more than enough time to educate yourself and network. It isn't always easy to make time for a mortgage conference and trade show, but the benefits are worth the effort. Follow these tips, and you should be able to improve your business without skipping a beat.